in the heart of a lively village. Mr. Abdul Aleem was a picture for the chaos of modern life. He is 43 years old young adult man who earns his living as deed writer and also works for growing vegetables and fruits in his family-owned land. He has a happy family with 6 years old school-going boy and a loving wife. Every day, he used to go to Sherpur Land Registry office and return home. In the afternoon, his days were busy with farming activities, rearing cattle, pigeon, chicken, goat and growing vegetables and fruits. He was a high-powered and self-motivated farmer, deed writer and like a student striving for success, recognition and happy life. One autumn morning, as the village's skyline bathed in the golden hues of sunrise, Abdul Aleem rushed out the door, looked after cattle, the harvested crops sold at local market. After returning home from the local market, he was already late for dropping child at local school, an important meeting with clients and then academic appointment at the Open University, Bogra. His thoughts were occupied with deed writing, client meeting, filling out an exam form, and numerous other things. As his 150cc bike raced down the busy urban streets, he hardly paid attention to the changing traffic lanes. In his speed, the insistent ringing of his phone interrupted his concentration, and he reflexively grabbed it, and then the accident happened. As he was gently extricated from the wreckage and brought to hospital, his injuries were serious and life-threatening. He was referred to Dhaka Pongu Hospital, National Institute of Traumatology and Orthopedic Rehabilitation from Shahid Ziaur Rahman Medical College, Bogra. After series of surgeries, doctor could able to save his life, but he had to lose his one leg. It was a sudden awakening to reality. The sudden accident and loss of one leg of their sole provider plunged the family into a state of financial uncertainty and emotional distress. Leaving them to navigate the challenges of everyday life. Without their pillar of support, the world became a loud noise of screeching tires, shattering glass, and unbearable pain. The collision was swift and dangerous that altered the route of his life. Trapped and wounded, Mr. Aleem experienced a wave of intense emotions. The realization dawned that he had been racing through life, always chasing some elusive finish line, but never truly living in the present moment. Now his injury had abruptly forced him to stop his hectic life, leaving him to confront the void that existed under the surface of his relentless existence. With first responders arriving on the scene, Aleem's mind wandered to the moments he had missed, the birthdays he had skipped, and the dinners she had rushed through. He thought of his children, his wife, and all the times she had chosen work over precious moments with his loved ones. After surgical below-knee amputation recovery, he was referred to TMSS Physiotherapy, Rehabilitation and Limb Center of TMSS Medical College and Rafatullah Community Hospital, TMC and RCH, Bogra, which is the only comprehensive rehabilitation center in northern Bangladesh. After complete assessment and measurement, Mr. Aleem was given an artificial limb followed by intensive rehabilitation training by the multidisciplinary rehabilitation team of TMC and RCH. It was a slow and arduous journey, but it gave Mr. Abdul Aleem the opportunity to not only heal his body but also to rebuild his life. When he eventually returned to his career with the support of TMC and RCH, it was truly a renewed perspective. Currently, he has returned to his normal life and he is performing all his daily living activities as like before.
কারণ ওই মুহূর্ত তো আমি একা ছাড়া আমার সংসার উপার্জন করার কোনো পার্সোনাল ব্যক্তি নাই। ইএমএসএস এর মাধ্যমে সেখানে আমি আবার যোগাযোগ করার মাধ্যমে দীর্ঘ আজ থেকে 4 মাস হলে 6 মাস হলে আমাকে পাওয়া হচ্ছে। আবার কৃত্রিম পাওয়ার পরে আমি ইনশাআল্লাহ আবার স্বাভাবিক জীবনে মনে হয় আমি ফিরে আসি, এরকম মনে হচ্ছে। কারণ আমি নিজে এখন এই কৃত্রিম পাওয়ার চলাফেরা করে অফিস যাচ্ছি, বাচ্চাকে স্কুলে যাচ্ছি, আমার সংসারের কাজ যতটুকু পারে আমি সাপোর্ট দিচ্ছি।
such as rearing cattle, pigeon, chicken, goat and growing and selling vegetables, official work, meeting with friends as well as studying like a full-time student. The accident, a traumatic and emotional experience, had changed the course of Mr. Aleem's life forever. It was a stark reminder that the true richness of life lies not in the rush of a busy existence but in the moments shared with loved ones, in the laughter of his children, and in the peaceful tranquility of an autumn morning when he could simply pause and be present in the beauty of the world around his.